Hi guys, Archie Luxury on the Archie Luxury channel. So, my father's Mercedes Benz. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz? Now guys, I'm just having a look at the car now. So what I've done is, I've basically vacuumed the interior. We've cleaned some of the plastics. We've also washed the car. We've washed the tires. We've given it a full wash. I've taken it around the block and I've dried it. Now, what I want to do is have a look at the car, because you can't really assess the car when it's filthy. So how is the car now? We can have a bit of a look. So we've got a few little marks. I might be able to get those out. A few little marks. Now, we've also got a little bit of grime. Got some tar on the car. A little bit of tar. So what I want to do now is to remove that and work on some little scratches. Fuck, my old man's not that careful. The car is at least... I think I might have missed washing that back. A few little spots there. That's... Okay, so we want to take some of the grime and dirt off it. Let's see what we can do. So, this is even before we do our clay bar. No point clay bar if we already know there's marks. So, I've got a few products. I've got some products. What are we going to use? Okay. So what I've got is, firstly, this is a tar. Bowden's tar. That gets rid of tar. And another thing I've got here is Meguiar's Scratch X. This is really good stuff. This here is like a cut and polish paste compound, which I'm going to use to remove some of the scratches. Okay guys, so let's see what I do. Before I do that, however, I might take a few photos so I can see what we're dealing with. But it's a beautiful Benz, baby Benz. I love the wheels on this, I must say. The Benz, this model looks really great. It's a W205. W205. We had a 204. That was my dad's previous car, was a Mercedes W204. So, yeah, let's get into it. And we'll take a few pics. And I'll let you know how it goes. So that's what I'm doing. So then, because I can't start the clay bar until I've taken that grime off. There you go, guys. Archie Luxury! Doing a bit of a car detail on my dad's Mercedes Benz.